Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got a beautiful bag to share with you today. This is the smaller sized side pack bag in the beautiful rare color Jade. So I'm always really happy when I find a Jade bag because I don't think they made a ton of them, and they're somewhat pretty, I guess I would say, like one of the more rare colors that I come across. So it's definitely a beautiful bag. It's a crossbody bag with an adjustable strap, as you can see. And it's kind of a beautiful teal color. If you're not familiar with the color, like if you haven't seen it in person, it's really nice. Jade bags tend to sell really fast for us since there are not a ton of them out there, as far as I know. So anyway, here's what the bag looks like. Here's the back. It's got a slip pocket back here, and then as you can see, the matching Jade hang tag. And then here's the front again. Here's what the inside looks like. And then it is a smaller size bag, as you can see, but here's the inside, and I have it stuffed with paper just so it keeps the shape nicely, but it does have a little slip pocket back here. Hopefully you can see that. But I'll insert a photo of the crease as well so you can see that the bag is authentic. But anyway, that's the side pack bag. If you're interested in checking it out further, I will as always link it below in the Etsy shop. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.